Bird Village, gumiyo ka lang doon, nakaupo ka lang. Ah. Ang ginawa? Gusto mo nga ba? Kasi maingay.
Isang Village? Halika nga, Isang Village to.
Ay, ito na pala yun. Parang wala namang view dito. Malaki rin pala to. Parang pan China. Sa China na tayo.
O, dyan lang kayo. 1, 2, 3. Selfie.
Pa-side view na lang.
1, 2, 3.
Kita ba sila? Tara. Tara. Parang pagod na kayo. Oo. Wala pang kain eh. Ikot muna. Ay no. Anong tawag dito?
What's this?
Yung
Which one?
ayun, itim. Ibon. Malaki. Ano, wala siya.
Oo nga. Ano dyan?
Malaglag yung camera natin dito. No?
Hindi panalo.
Yan ba yung ano?
Ganda oh.
Pabo ba yan?
Hindi. Tapo. Arabian Village.
Arabian Village, Asian Plaza. Dito na rin pala lahat eh. African Village sa kabila. Tsaka Explorer sa labas. Wadi. Mampalamig muna. Oh, chillax. Gusto niyo magpalamig sa gitna sa gitna ng initan. So meron naman ditong cooler talaga 'yan. Ang lamig.
Falls.
Ayun pa, meron din doon nakaputi.
Saan?
Balak daw yan.
Ayun pala sa baba pwede tayo mag-view, may parang aquarium.
Redneck Wallaby.
Sa baba may parang aquarium, ay parang ano, parang doon na lang tayo mag-view.
Ganito ka na maganda sa bundok mo.
Hala, magpapalagay mo sa amin ng tanong sa kanila.
Oo, diretso mo sa river, yung ano mo, sa ilog. Yung host nito nasa ilog para sisip-sip siya.
Ano siya? Solar energy siya. No?
Oh, yan. Ayan o, red, ano to?
Redneck Wallaby.
Wallaby. Redneck Wallaby.
So, walang kuryente to?
Solar.
Oh, sa solar. By sun na. Ay, sorry.
Tubig yung tayo.
Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Mas maganda view dun sa loob, oh. Saan? Where? Ayun.
Kalaban ng ano? Ng ahas.
Tinutumba niya yung ano, yung parang, ano yung palay? Tubo. Parang tubo. Ah, bamboo. Bamboo yata maliliit.
Yan
yun.
ang shiny sa bamboo.
Maliliit na bamboo, oh. Bababa tayo. Let's go.
Bro, how are you, bro? Good.
Sandaan. Ayun. Dinosaur. Hindi. Wala naman.
Kaya gaya.
Kanina.
Umuwi na. Walang makikita dyan. Tutulog din eh. Ayun o, may naglalambaras. Ano yun? Ah, ano? Ayun. Hello. Kita mo? Lamig.
These are the travelers. The Summit Land. And yes,
Hello!
sila mga travelers yung hi. Nice. As you can see, we're heading to Asian Theater. Asian Theater, here we go.
Ayun pa oh.
Ah, dito, Gibon. Gibon.
Duck ba yan?
Ano to? Pangalan nito? Ayun ang pangalan niya. Southern Cassowary. Cassowary. Yan. Cassurius. Cassurius. Yeah, pronounce.
Then we have here the Southern Cassowary.
Ito yung gibbon. Gibbon. Ayan. May white din pala. Nasaan sila? Ayun, nasa taas.
Kaali.
Medyo malayo.
Kaali.
Si gibbon. Gibbon. Gibbonski. Oo. Layo nila eh. Mas malinaw yung ito yung Southern Cassowary. Doon ang lalayo. Malayo lang. Wow! Asian!
The Cassowary, guys.
So ito na. Pwede dun sa baba oh, para makita natin. Kaso wala naman naglalangoy. Nasa gilid lang din.
Summit Land in the house.
Hi!
Welcome to Asian Theater.
Teatro! Kulang ang isang araw mo. Oo. Ito Asian Village. Nauhaw na ako. Bili tayo kayo ng drinks.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
Have you seen the bears?
Not
Beer
that
po?
Yes, may meal beer tayo rito.
Talaga po. Sige po.
Ito yung kita na natin.
Gibbon.
Ibon?
Yung gibbon. Pero there are times na pasikat sila to
Buka naman.
konti lang yung animals natin dito kasi ang highlight ng ating village is 3 o'clock show. Yung birds and mammal show.
Sa alas 3 pa po.
Yes sir. After visiting yung ilang hayop natin dito, then we can get to ride the Arabian Desert Safari. We have a choice na bababa kayo dun sa may main building or babalik sila dito kasi ika-catch up natin yung show.
Anong oras nga po? 3.
3 o'clock pero as early as 2:30 nagpapapasok na tayo sir.
Sige po. Pero pwede pa naman makakatch ng Arabian po, no?
Yes sir. Pwede. Continue siya.
Hindi muna kami ng beer dito.
Sige po.
Si ano?
Kasama lang nun. Salamat po.
Restroom dito.
Opo.
Okay po. Thank you.
Halika na ito eh.
Wow, CR pa lang. Ano na? Asian na Asian, CR pa lang. Asian na Asian ang CR.
Sumupicture ang kita dito.
Yes. So yun, Asian. Yun lang ang view sa loob. Asian washroom. Saan tayo? Doon daw oh. Sa Moon Bear ba yun? Let's go.
Naman tayo.
Dito sa side na to?
Where's the moon? The bear.
Okay, thank you.
The moon.
The moon. Wala pa, sun pa lang eh. Explorer Arabian Journey. So yan. Sana? Dito lang? Wala yata siya. Anybody home?
Kailangan mo sa hanapin.
Kailan kayo?
Ito lang? Fine. Ayun! Yay! Here!
Ayun oh, sa pala oh.
Moon bear pa siya? Hindi black bear? Nagtago ulit.
Go pa.
Wala na, nagtago. Mainit kasi.
Ito lang ba siya?
Ayun. Dito ko.
Kaya lumabas.
Ay.
Bumalik.
May bato ka ba dyan?
Walang magwala no.
Kailangan batuhin
Basta malun dito. May mga ano pala doon, wire.
Ayun.
Wala rin siya masyadong ikutan kasi may harang pala doon.
Kinakain
Ay,
niya.
may kuryente yung harang na yan.
Siguro, no?
Ayun oh.
May kuryente.
Para hindi siya talaga makalawas. Wow, ginaground sila.
Kailangan hindi matay.
Ayaw na.
Ito lang siya.
Opo. Ayun na. Hello. Nainitan siya, mag-isa lang. Kawawa naman.
Halika dito, tara.
Nainitan siya dun sa area niya. Ay, hindi, may ano. Di ba may cooler sila dun? Ay, dito, baka kita dito. Ah, dito! Dito! Wala na, umalis na naman. Ayun, palakad lang. Paikot-ikot lang siya. Hello. Hello, bear. Moon bear. Wala siya magpwestuhan. Mag-isa lang siya talaga. Medyo malayong kuha dito. Ay na, naka-steady na siya. Nag-steady talaga siya matagal ah.
Dito, nice shot here, oh. Dito.
Ayun na oh, bilis. Alis na to. Habang naka-steady pa siya. Tumitingin siya eh.
Ito magandang kuha, ayan, oh. Zoom nyo lang yung camera nyo.
Ay, namputan lagi ng bunga.
Si ano na pala nagka-camera si Jason.
Okay, good.
May cameraman ka na rin ah. Nag-hair ka na ng cameraman. Hinihingal pa siya. Ayan o, galing ng ano nila, no? Solar siya, ang lamig. So kahit sa mainit. So let's go.
Anong oras na ba?
1:30.
Ay, matagal pa pa.
Oo.
Ayun na nilang gawa na. Pagod na.
Hindi ka na lang, ma. Masyadong ano yun, matamis. Gusto mo?
Hindi yan, may yelo yan. Ayun o, yung ano. Ito meron? Oo, yung parang mango. Ah, ano ba?
Ay, pare, can we have this? Which flavor?
Mango na. Oh, blueberry.
Blueberry. Small, right? How much is the small? How much the big?
Malaki na.
This is the jumbo.
Big.
No need for that one.
Pambata. Magkano ba yung ganyan? Souvenir.
How much is this one? Free.
Sige na.
Ba't tubig na lang kayo?
How many liter for this one?
No, you want the Mickey Mouse, huh? This is 20 and this is 11.
11. Konti lang
We
naman.
want the Mickey Mouse. Okay. Yeah. How many? One, just one. Blueberry, ah?
Ilang liter ba ito? Ang liter talaga yun ah. Ayan. Mura lang naman pala mga ano. Pagkain.
Okay na. I'll go get some water.
Drinks kayo?
Sige kasi.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
20. Souvenir na rin. Thank you.
Makabili nga rin. Masarap ba yan?
Siguro. Parang Slurpee.
Can I have one?
Okay, yan guys. Drink muna tayo. Inom muna tayo. Parang ano lang. Souvenir.
Oo, gano'n lang yan.
Pambata ata yun. Apa?
Doon sa may cave. Sige, mag-merienda muna kayo para may energy.
Sarap pa.
Ha? Biscuit? Oo. Sarap siya, parang chips ahoy. Pero malambot.
That's all cake.
Oo.
Hi, welcome.
Thank
Here we
you.
have one animal. Over there we have the moon beer.
Yeah, thank you.
Very fast.
And we're having a show by 3 o'clock.
Ay,
Mababasa na makakagat sa lahat.
ay, akala mong buhaya. Ito na sila naglalangoy habang active. Ito yata yung kanina o yung hindi natin nakita. Nagko-camouflage.
Oo. Kaya ba?
Parang ganitong maliit lang na nagko-camouflage. Hindi to, iba to. Ha? Ay, sumisilip siya. Ay, nahiya na siya. Nahiya siya sa akin. Ayaw niya sa akin. Hello. Eh, nakatingin sila sa mga tao. Talagang ano sila, no? Tumititig. Hindi, tumititig talaga sila, eh. Ano meron dito? Ay, yung ano? Exit na yan, eh. Parang ganito yung mga tira ng ibon sa ano. Super tipid sila sa kuryente, no? Solar lahat. Yung naglalangay na siya. Sayang, hindi kasi lumalangay sila. Tao na, si Sam. Pahinga muna. Sige, okay lang.
Ilagay mo dyan sa bag mo.
Yan nga yung binayaran mo dito eh. Lalagyan lang binayaran mo.
Ilagay mo sa bag.
Inuman ko na to sa bahay.
Tapon mo na yung ano.
Oo, lagay natin ng tubig pala sa bahay, no? Eh, akala ko maniking yan nandito. Yan nakatayo. May nakita ako nung nakaraan sa ano eh, Dragon Mart yung solar na ano na. Ibabag mo siya tas may charger na siya.
Oh.
So kung bilhin nun eh. Kaso 100 plus
Wala
yata.
kung madaan tayo din.
Dragon Mart?
Oo,
Hindi.
nagsakay na natin.
Ano pag susuotin mo lang pag mainit oh, charge ka na. Charge ka na.
Ang galing.
Oo.
Tipid.
Lalo na kung ganito yung activities mo. Ay, magkano kaya ganun?
Dito si Ben.
Ay no, mag-scooter na lang tayong lahat oh, paikot. Itim mo nan. Wala nang rent yata na scooter, no?
Parang
Mainit kasi. Ito pang saparing-sapare talaga yung ganitong sasakyan, eh.
Safari Park.
ang sarap naman sa backpage.
Saan? Kaya nga eh. Ito pala may ano sila, ito yung ayun sa lalaki. Ayan lang. Foot reflex, saka back pain lang, hindi wala siyang ano. Hindi, doon na sila sa ano, next na lang sila. Together sila. Kasama sila. Naiwan lang sila sa ano. Larawan ba?
Boko, booking mo na yan.
Gopin.
Tamad na tamad mag-book.
Hindi ba ito tutulo? Parang akala mo tutulo eh. Ay, tutulo ba? Ay, tutulo nga. Hindi siya ano.
Tamo kung
Hindi siya
nandito
maganda. Hello. Likod tayo. Sa likod oh.
Together and
Doon ka, dyan sila eh. Ay, sa likod na sila. Sige.
sige, saan ba?
Kayo, ano ba kayo? Gulo. Nahihilo na siya.
Mainit ko.
Init pala dito.
Dito ka muna. Ay, Diyos ka. Init sa puwet.
Alright, so good afternoon everyone and welcome. The driver will take you inside the Arabian Desert Safari. You're inside is roughly 10 to 12 minutes. And animals are free roaming, so going down from this vehicle is not allowed. And your next stop will be the kids farm, which is also beside the exit area. Anyway, if you want to come back later for the show, you have to come back. You want to come back?
Oo.
Yes po.
Di ba, balik tayo dyan. Ano po, maintenance tayo? Maintenance tayo.
Ba't parang kanina dito rin tayo dumaan? Hindi, dumaan tayo kanina, close pa. Iba yun. Parang ganito rin yung pag-ibig.
Pagod na kami, maraming sasakita. Grabe, yung mga bato niya, no? May aircon. Yan ang tour sa safari. Imagine mo, ano, sa magsabay yung ganito lang, tapos may mga tigre, may mga
Sa
Makalat-kalat lang ano.
Zimbabwe. Sa Africa. Auto sensor yung wire na yun.
Oo.
Tapos na. Malit lang naman pala, no?
Yan na ito yung kaliman natin.
Kids farm.
Saan ang kids farm?
So yan, ano yun?
Ayun na yun, kanina pala. Yung... Ayun na pala yung pinaka-umpisa eh.
Oh, yung pinatahan namin kanina.
Tapos
meron.
balik ulit tayo sa ano, sa...
Sasakay ulit tayo doon.
Station, oo. Ayun talaga naisip.
Open sesame.
Kids farm.
Yes. Parang mas napagod kayo sa kakaride mo. Kaysa yung naglakad tayo nung nakaraan. Yan, nakakapagod pero sulit na paglalakbay. Ay, yun yung naliligo oh. Naliligo. Pabo. Naliligoan sila?
Ito, mag-chill muna tayo dito.
Bumalik muna sa pagkabata. Ito na.
Hi, thank you.
Ito na yung kanina. Ito na yung pinaka-umpisa.
Dito kami pumunta kanina.
May tourist guide pa sila. Dito ba tayo?
Si Jessie na lang ang mag-ano sa atin.
Mag-tour. Gagawin dyan. Ay, may pagong. Wala, pagod din si Pagong.
Kukunti ang tubig ni Pagong.
Ay, ito pala mga pagong. Yung isa tulog na. Ay, ang dami dun, oh. Di ba nag-ano nito? Mga gas.
Hindi, may aggressive na turtle, pero hindi naman yan siguro kasi kita mo naman, no? Yung interaction niya sa tao. Ayun yung pinaka...
May butas pa sila. Ginawa ng butas.
The huge one. Oo.
Okay, sir. Gusto niyo ang tubig?
Sige lang. May pong pagong, oh.
Sige, ateng, please. Thank you. Sige. Siguro yan ito pa.
Kinuha sa tindahan. Barya-barya kinupit sa tindahan.
Kulang ng piso.
May barya ka dyan, bigyan mo barya.
Ito, piso.
Ayan. Kasi ghost na.
Dumi nila, ang laki naman.
Pwede hawakan yan, no?
Sige, aggressive din yan. Ayun, oh.
Oh, ikaw, ateng, hawakan mo, pisit.
Lumalaban yan. Ay,
Sa
biglang humaba ang ulo.
Sa naglatindas. Hala,
Yun na, yun na. Ay! Wag, magugulat siya. Baka ma-stress siya.
Ma-disturb yun. Hindi.
Wala na, tulog na siya. Hello! Don't scare.
Tapos may fine pala 500.
I'm sorry.
Hindi mo naman
Malay mo, ako loko siya.
Where are you? Saan pa doon? May ikutan pa doon?
Batang bata yung ano.
Bigyan mong kamote. Bigyan mong kamote. Where are you?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sige.
Pagdagan natin yung kalahati. Ang dahil naman mo. Sorry na lang.
Alin?
Yan.
Nang alin? Tubig. Ay, hindi mo ubus yan?
Ayun, dito na lang oh. Sa tumbler. Ay, pabukas. Ha?
Sa video ko na.
Doon sa kabila, kunan ko lang. Alis kayo? Dito lang kayo.
Dito lang kapag.
Ito, nakuha na nyo na doon? Kompleto na pala kayo. Tortoise. Yan, nandito kami sa Kids Farm. Ayan, may kami ka-shoutout to Bon Farm TV. Hello! Subscribe kayo kay Bon Farm TV. Ayan, Bon, ito pang bata, kids. Ayan, hello kay Bon Farm TV. Ayan si Sam Eklat, nagbablog. Naglakad na dun. Dire-diretso na. So let's see here. Ayan, may mga keep distance for your safety. 2 meters. Dati nag-aalaga ako rabbit nung bata kami. Ang laki na rin rabbit namin, ganyan yata.
Ano ba yan? Kinakain din?
Ha?
Kinakain din ba yan?
Hindi. Ikaw, nasa sayo, pero alaga lang.
Pwede rin naman kung gusto mo pa.
Pero, syempre nakakaawa naman, alagaan mo lang.
Ang cute nila, oh. Tingnan mo, oh.
Ganda.
Bawal daw tumapak dito sa fence.
Bawal. How many they are?
Kumukito.
There are 7. Celine! Selena!
May kami ka shoutout to si Lynn, ayan.
Celine! Nakikita mo yung mga rabbits, baby!
And Joey. To Velasco family, hello.
Hello!
And Partosa family, hello. And Marsan family.
I'm also
Sa Reyes clan, hello sa inyo.
wala, nagpasandod sila.
Ano ba to?
Guinea pigs.
Ito yung sa rodents, yung mga rabbit. Guinea pigs, wala. They're inside. Saan na siya? Ang bilis na siya. Ayun na, ang layo na. Iniikot niya agad lang.
Exploring.
Ayan doon. pampalamigan din. Cooling place. Ano dyan? Ano meron? Wala. Silungan lang. Ano yun doon, no? May show din. Ano na to? Wow. Ah. Mga ship. Naji ship. Naji ship. Sa Paul McDonald Harbor Farm. Akala ko malalaki dun mga cow eh. Ano pala? Statwa ng cow. Akala ko cow yan ano. Akala ko cow na totoo. Hello. Ayaw na magsalita ni Meme eh. Ano ito? Ibang kambing to. Sheep. Ah, sheep pala. Sheep. Chip. Ang lakas ng boses. Tining ah. Ang tining ng boses niya ah. Ano tag doon? Soprano? Soprano ba yung
McNutt is here.
Hi!
Hello, Meme. Ano dito? Goat? Ah, ito ang goat. Goat barn. Ano yun? May nagsusungayan? Ay, lalaki. Lalaki nakakulong. Hinihiwalay nila yan. Ay, ito pa minsan dito. Hello! Dati nag-aalaga kami nun eh. Me. Hello. Hello, how are you? Me. Walang food. No food. Hi. How are you? Bata. Ay, buntis na. Ang linis pala nito nga to. Ganyan lang talaga sila. Buntis pa yun. Ano siguro sila buntis? Ganyan dati yung maalaga namin kanina.
Yung lalaki, Bruce ko, din tayo. Ay, hindi pala ako.
Walang daan. Ay, ito. Walang daan. Ba't may puwan doon para kanina? Ngayon lumakas ano. Mga babae lahat to. Hello, up. Ang bait ng brown. Yan lang maano sa kanila, maraming bilog-bilog sa mga poops. Puro kambing naman sa kids farm.
Yung nag-iisa ang laki.
Ano yan? Pony? Hindi. Ito ang ginagawa niya dun. May pagkain siya dun. Hindi isa lang. Ito mga to kaya mag-survive sa init.
What's in here?
Ayan. Baka may kabayo. No entry. Ano naman? Wala naman.
Baka mga
Baka dyan kinukulong yung mga kambing pag gabi. Parang malamig. Ito oh, ito rin siya. Ah, ito, lugar nila yan. Paggabi doon na sila. Yan si Sam nandun na sa gilid. Kunti lang pala to kaya hindi na umikot sila. Ay. Ano yun? Sa'yo? Sa'yo?
Nakapunta kasi ito.
Ikot na. May ano pa? Ticket? Ano dito? Ano meron dito? Ah, ibon pala. Akala ko mga isda. Ayun ang mga parot. Ayun na pala si Sam. Ayun o, iba rin o. Hello. Hi. Yippee. Hello. May, ano to, di ba lovebirds to?
Oo, alam.
Yan. Ang galing. Hindi rin sila lipad na lipad, no? Pagod na rin. Ano yan? Yan ba yung peacock? Ay hindi. Ano tawag dito? Halo-halo na sila.
This one here.
Ayun. Ayun, lumipad. Ito oh, malapit. Sana. Ay, lumipad na. Ay, dito oh. Hello. Hi. Hello. How are you? Ang top. Sleepy ah. Oo. Yung natural na hangin, no? Akala ko pati yun. Pati yung gawa nila yung hangin. Ang galing, no? Pinapaganda nila talaga.
Gagaling ata ito dito.
Oo, dyan. May hose yan na malaki. Para magmukha siyang ano.
Galing?
Kaya mga ibon na to kahit pakula mo yan, bumabalik na rin dito eh.
Tay, ginawain po ako sa ano ko.
Hindi mo.
Magic.
Thank you.
Ano ka mo? O, kuha mo sa auto. Ay, ganda. Malapit. Eh, dinom mo. Asa na yung dalawa? Balik na tayo ng Galas Crossing.
Ala, doon na tayo sa ano. Ano bang show yun?
Asian.
Asian naman. So mga kambing naman na malalaki joke. Saka baka. Bakang tumatalon sa lubid.
Talaga sinadya talaga nila na hindi pa tayo ito.
Para kunya. Oo. Para pabundok kunyari.
Maaga tayo natapos.
Ano tong chicken coops? Wala na dyan?
Puro manok.
Ay, coops tuloy. Ngengengek. Co-ops. Co-op pala.
Ano? Napagod na kayo?
Next location.
Let's go.
Nirefill mo na rin dyan para hindi mo nadalhin yung tubig.
Sana, no?
Ay, hindi mo pa ubos. Ayun na, isa ka yan. Yan yung kids farm.
Kailangan pag kami mahay.
Rainbow, oh. Oh, there's a rainbow.
Kailan ba magbubukas ang Miracle Garden?
Ha?
Bukas na ba ang Miracle Garden?
Titanong mo kay Jojo ah.
Next time.
Nakapasok na ba siya sa global?
Dito. Wala pa yung passport niya.
Bakit hindi pa binibigay?
Parang news. Kailangan daw.
Oo. Narin yun nga.
Wala pa. Parang news. Dalawang bata.
Pila na tayo, oh. Haba na ng pila. Saan ba tayo? Libre,
Diyan nata sa salamin.
libre lang naman yata to eh. 2 dirhams. Saan ka magbabayad?
Magkakainin ka mabinser eh.
Init eh. Hindi mo naman kabisado ikutan mo. Walang tour guide.
Kaya.
Mas okay pa yung may nagsasalita. At least kahit pa paano. Para nalaman mo yung location.
Doon sa ano, sa video namin na may nagsasalita.
Oo. May tour guide na tayo. Laki rin kasi nito eh.
9 hectares daw eh.
Kung may ganito sa probinsya, oh. I-develop mo din, oh.
Oo. Hindi pa nga yung
Yung-
KD9.
Yung sa Ilocos, di ba nilalakad lang? Wala pa sasakyan yun. Pagod ka.
Yung farm ni ano, ni Inay.
Oh.
20 hectares.
Saan?
Sa Batangas.
Anong pangalan?
Di ba kinukumpis ka ng gobyerno?
Hmm. Sakay na lang tayo dito tapos
Ano daw?
hindi na rin pala yata abot kasi no. Walkathon daw.
3 minutes lang, pinaglalakad tayo.
Malilate tayo pag ano.
3 minutes lang daw. Kasi kapag ka umikot to, 20 minutes.
Exercise. Walang silungan nga lang. Solar lahat to. Kahit mga posting.
3 minutes lang.
Iikot eh.
Iikot pa daw yan.
Yan lang naman yata oh. Solo nila. Asian Pacific. Asian Theater. Asian Theater, di ba? Kung malipit sa Asian. Ayun oh. Hindi ba yun dyan? Ay, asan malunggay? Wala naman. Oh, katon. Wala pang bakit mo. Dapat suot ko na lang pala yung pangino ko eh. Dito lang. Eto ba o dito? Left or right? Yung meron dito sa left o kaya? Ayun sila. Ito nga yata sa left sa... Ayun. Hindi ba yon?
Ayan.
Ayun. Parang nasa ano lang, probinsya. Saan ba? Nakakagulo. Yung may arko? Dito, pwede rin duman dito. Dito galing na tayo kanina dito, di ba? Hindi pa? Ano yan? Saan mo ibabayad yung 2 dirhams? Saan ka nga magbayad? Diyan. Saan mo hulog? Hindi lang mahulugan dyan.
Barcode.
Ah? I-charge sa'yo paglabas. Tara. Paglabas mo na yan.
3 dirham.
Apps. Ito na pala Asian Village eh. Jaywalking. Op, may tren. Takbo, may tren. Ayun palang tawiran. Yan, nilakad namin Asian Village kasi wala raw hihintong bus. Pero maganda tong araw na pinunta natin kasi hindi crowded, no? Oo. Mas medyo nakikita pa natin kahit pa paano yung view. Ano yan? Ano yan? Asan? Ah? Eh kanina pa yan eh. Hindi mo nakita kanina yan?
Ang dami camera ka, may cellphone ka. Yan, ikaw ang tunay na vlogger.
Photographer ka niya. Ikaw yung admin niya.
Ano mo ko dito, mga maganda dito.
Yes, hindi naman makuha yung mga parang gawin. Ay, ganda. Paano ko makikita?
Kawal mo na. Tanggalin mo yung mask lahat. Yan, oh, sige, perfect. Another pose.
Jump shot.
Pagod ka na rin eh. One, two,
Dito ka dapat sa ano para wavy yung buhok mo.
isa pa.
Para kunyari mahangin.
1, 2, 3. Okay ko naman. Bilis.
Mainit ang balik.
Ang dami hawak kasi. No?
Oh, go po. Gitna. 1.
Sige na.
1, 2, 3. Paso, aligo naman.
Kasi ang hirap ikabit ng bus. Ang dami kong layering.
So, ayaw tanggalin yung one mo. 1, 2, 3. Diba?
Sabihin na anak mo, daddy na unahan mo ba ako ah? Eh, pera pa naman.
Ano mo akong picture?
Yung batang
Si
babae.
Hana. Si Hana. Hana ka,
Yung
Hana.
pangalan, kaya ang ano.
Ay, yung drinks.
Malakas ang dugo na.
Oo, walang makuha na si dito.
Di kahawin ni Jay, lang yan nalakad.
Dati, nag-iba nga.
Di ba may twins ka? Kambal ka? Oo. Kasabi natin.
Maputi yung kasambal Jay.
Sabi niya kapag daw nakabuhat ng baka daw pag sumikat na tayo, hindi siya kilala. Sabi ko, oo, yung si Jerson na kilala namin.
Si Gerson, di rin sasalita si Gerson.
Kinuha pala lahat ni Jason.
Pinalalahat niya ito.
Oh, sana tayo. Abot. Ano oras na? Abot pa. Sabi niya 30 minutes before abot. Pag wala pa, maghihintay ulit tayo sa ilalim.
Pero na
Hindi, 3 o'clock
Ayun,
daw.
pumapasok na yata yung mga yun. Oh.
Oo, 3 o'clock daw. Tapos 2:30 open na sila pa. Papasok na.
Washroom lang ako. Ito, parang ano lang. Asian Cheddar. Tara. Let's go. Ano sila? Kahit saan tayo ang pala sila. Doon tayo sa medyo malapit. Ay, yung baba oh. Pwede ba sa baba? Masyadong close up na. Close up na. Yung tubig oh. Ito nang start.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin. Please find a seat and settle down. Always remember, for everyone's safety, remain seated all throughout the performance. Do not raise your heads up as it might distract the animals. Thank you for your cooperation. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Do not raise your hands up as it might distract the animals. Thank you for your cooperation. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Sila ulit. Naiwan.
So welcome to my safari, especially today you are gathered at your amazing wildlife creature show. We are so thrilled and excited to have you guys here.
That's right, just introduce you to you all. We are the presenters for today. My name is Kai, and there is my co-presenter, Rita. So before we begin this exciting show, we would like to remind you one more time to not raise your hands up and be seated at the whole time. That is not okay. Also, you can take as many pictures as you want, but please remember to turn on the flashlight. We don't want to distract the animals throughout the show. Do you agree to that?
Yes, can you agree? We begin the show? Alright, that's fine. So let's begin the show with the competition first. So let's have the competitors on stage.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start this show with a competition, and we will have the African grade, the second grade being on the table in the corresponding bin. Just to introduce you, we have Michael over here with Kate.
And this time we have Oscar with our trainer, Denmark.
Okay, so now to make this competition more exciting, we need to cheer for Michael, alright?
Hey, wait, no. That's not fair. How about let's cheer for Oscar this time? Can we give us your right now? I love that.
Alright, let's see how cheers now. Now, ladies and gentlemen, ready?
Ano kami?
Beautiful guys. But anyways, you know, the recycling is not the animal's job, but we are supposed to do the recycling. The sad fact about the African race is that we have lost up to 99% of the population in the wild, mainly because of alien effect rate.
That is right. But before we move on, I'd just like to tell you that today's show, we're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to focus more on the conservation part. We're going to focus more on the things that is happening today and out there. So before we move on, how about a round of applause to our trainers and the African Day. So not only the parrots are facing these unfortunate events, but also this semi-aquatic animals that is about to come out. Let's welcome the small claw monsters.
Maybe looking superior already. And there is our small concept. So swinging from the mouth, we're making it so that this animal is so land and water. And you can see Megan is paddling on our way here. They rely on water so much. They find food from inside, they play with their friends in the water. Pretty much 80% of the time they will spend in the water. So you can see how important it is to them.
Well, let's say the dangers they face in the wild. The major problem they're facing is because here is climate change. What happens is the rivers and lakes, they start shrinking because the water evaporates, and because the land is small enough, they start fighting each other for the place to live on, and even for the hunters to poach these waters. See there, how beautiful it is. But you see, guys, once these beautiful animals they're gone, they would be gone forever, and we don't want that. So ladies and gentlemen, have a big round of applause for our hunters.
Not only where animals are being affected by this problems out there, but also birds that flies in the sky, lives in the forest. Let's look over there. We have rhinoceros with them.
He's gone right up.
Yes. Alright, so I think that will take a little time.
Yes.
We're all good?
We're going to, alright, we wait for the trainers to bring the lead down. But in the meantime, go ahead and see another species of hornbill. At this time, we're inviting a hornbill from New Guinea, a Papuan hornbill.
Alright, Elisa.
They try to bring it closer.
Okay. So just like I said earlier, the birds that fly in the sky, they're also having problems. But what kind of problems? Deforestation, habitat loss. Hornbills, they have a slow breeding rate, and they often will find big trees. There you go.
That's Billy, by the way. So I can have a close look of Billy. Now, all these beautiful species they face, one major problem is, as you can see, it's very beautiful, right? And when we hunted, ready for the cast, which you see, and some of the species of hornbills, they're really threatened. Now we wait for Billy to fly over one more time. Yes. Alright, now we can have a look at Billy's flight.
Ayaw niya.
Okay, let's finish it over there. But do you think that if, let's say, the fate is like that for the animals, do you think they'll just give up and just like accept the fate? No, the answer is no. They'll keep on going. So what else are we going to invite next?
Hirap siya sumunod.
And there we have the raccoons. So let's see. Okay. Now I believe that you guys know all raccoons, right? They're very looking animals. And they do naughty things like that. They cover up this, they try to dig out the trash from inside. Why? One reason, because there's food, right? It's the easiest way to find food. They don't move, they just sit over there.
Well, as you can see, the raccoons here, they're kind of messing around with the bed. Okay, the raccoons, they're very smart. In the wild, they have learned that, humans leave out their young food in the bins that's left over. And we humans, we don't like our trash cans to be messed every single day. So what happens? That's a very sad thing. They're mostly shot like the ground or even poisoned. But raccoons are very valuable in our ecosystem, but keep opportunistic feeders. Now, I just said there is poison in the water. Now, the sad thing is, it's just not the raccoons are poison. You know, the whole ecosystem is connected to each other. So when the raccoons get poisoned, now next thing, I'll show you who also get poisoned because of poisoning the raccoons. Thank you, Lily. I don't have. I didn't like poison. Alright. Now, let's imagine the raccoon is poisoned and it's dead. Then who feeds on the dead animal? I'm putting a meat over here. Let's see who's gonna come out. Who feeds on dead and decaying animals?
The scavengers.
Yes. There it is.
Ayun. Ang laki. Ganun.
So everyone who's smiling, he is a perfect vultures. Now vultures, they are known to feed on the dead, decaying animals. Just said before, now these are known to feed on the decayed, dead animals. If that animal is poisoned, even the vultures, they get poisoned indirectly. So we have to be very careful when we try to do something or eliminate even the rats and mice, because owls, they feed on them. Well, it's time for Molly to do it. How about a big round of applause for Molly and the final time?
But sometimes the problem continues to escalate, become even bigger. For instance, the next one we're inviting out, the heaviest flying birds we've known so far on this planet, the great white pelican. So great white pelicans and important birds, they mainly rely on the oceans for food, right? Plastic pollution is the biggest threat to these animals because they cannot differentiate sometimes between fish and plastic. So when they fly over the sky and then they see plastic floating on the surface, they'll just go there and scoop it up like that. Because of its giant mouth, they will scoop everything. And what happens after is they'll suffocate. And that is not a good thing for not only the water birds, but the not only the great white pelicans, but the water birds all around the world.
Well, speaking of birds, this is something more interesting. Well, I have a question for you guys. Now, can anyone tell me what species of bird is over there? A parrot? What else?
Red power.
It's a magpie, yes. How many of you have seen them in pet shops in small cages? Oh, a lot of them, see? Now, we have seen them in small cages, but these are amazing flyers. They can fly a lot, let's say, every single day. And now they're going to enjoy it, so check this out. Come on, everyone.
Ayaw niya po tumigil.
They see there are many ways. There are many ways to
Wala.
see animals. You can
Ayaw
go
niya.
to a conservation center, you can go to the sanctuary, or you can visit a park. But what is the most important thing you need to learn is to know
Ayaw niya pa.
animals' behavior. Because that's one way how we can understand them. Being observant is the key. So now we're going to play a little game. We'll find this next animal close to you, alright, so you can see and look at them. And at the end, we're going to ask you a question, whether this animal spend more time on the tree or on the land. Okay?
Alright, just observe, just tell me that do they spend time on the tree or on land?
Alright, then let's welcome the Galactic Game.
Ito.
There you go. So, pay attention to the way how they look. They have sharp claws, right? Can you see the sharp claws? Right.
Now,
Okay.
hint number 2 is you can pay attention to the long, beautiful tail.
And over here, I'm just gonna put tummy. Like he's still looking for food on the ground. So, on the ground. So, what's that? Piece of banana. What is this? Piece of chicken. And what does that mean? These animals are omnivores. They can feed on different types of foods. So not only meat, fruit, they also feed on insects or nuts. Okay, so I think that's enough hint.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, let's set them back and we're ready for the answer. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, tell me, do they spend more time on land or tree? Who says land?
On the land. Land,
Okay.
land. Okay.
Who's a tree?
A lot of
Ooh,
trees.
more. What's the right answer, please?
Well, the right answer is both. The platypus they spend most of the time on the ground, finding for food, playing around with the family. But during the night time, when they go to sleep, they actually climb up the tree, and that tail which you've seen helps them to balance that they won't from fractures.
So, you're all correct. Give yourself a round of applause.
Well, everyone, as beautiful as they may seem, keeping wild animals at home may look very interesting. But one is illegal and completely unsafe with kids. So how about that, beautiful people? We settle for someone who is cute, adorable, and fun to play with. The man's best friend, dog.
So to quickly introduce to you all, we have the corgi on your right, and we have the mongrel on your left. But there are 300 plus breeds that are now registered worldwide, and we're just representing two. So there's something that I noticed with people adopting dogs, or let's say buying them, keeping them as a pet, all over the world, is that now we tend to pay more attention to how they look, but not how they behave. Each dog possesses a unique skill. For that, I'll explain more later. But now, let's say bye-bye to our two little dog friends.
Bye-bye. laruan ng aso.
This breed specifically, they were bred to help the hunters to retrieve the game, just like that, right? So imagine that they all have all this instinct. Thank you so much, Doug. Now, they have this instinct in them. They want to play, they want to catch any moving objects. So if you don't train them well, they're going to be a big mess in the house. So if you want to have a dog as a company, please do a lot of research before getting one, because that is very important.
Yes, I totally agree with Kai on that. So here we have anyway, speaking
You
of
have a surprise for us?
sorry?
You have a surprise for us?
Yes, I have some surprises coming to me on stage, but no, I guess. So at the end of the day, we are here to talk about the simple things that we can do on a daily basis to help the animals in the wild, in air, water, or land. And the major problem they face is
Plastic. That is right.
and the tissues, the paper that we drop on the floor.
Okay, let's see.
That's a very long.
That's a very wrong way to do. But what is the right way?
It's going the wrong way. Each of us.
Wow.
No, that is right. You see, it is not our job at the end. It's not their job to pick up plastic for us. It's us. We should clean up after ourselves.
But I'm sure today you guys have seen some of our beautiful animals. Now it's your time to go outside and share and talk about how important these animals have to survive in the wild.
That's right. So now, we would really like to thank you for listening your heart out to us. And remember, this is not the end. It's just the beginning.
Well, that's right. And on behalf of myself, Kai, our trainers, and of course our beautiful animals, we would like to thank everyone for being with us here today.
And yet, we hope you enjoy the rest of your day only here
And
at
the
Dubai.
right safari. Goodbye, everyone.
Tapos na. What time is it? Wala. Tumatawag. Hindi lumabas ulit. Ay, lumabas na sila dun.
CR na mo na. Para mas maganda CR doon. Ito maganda pa.
Classic.
CR muna ako doon sa magandang CR.
Ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda pala.
Pahinga muna tayo. Sige.
Saan ba yung ano dito? Yung may ayun sa tunnel oh. Baka meron ng tao doon. Doon maganda magpahinga sa tunnel eh.
Uwi na tayo, papahinga.
Meron pa o ano? Wala na?
Wala na.
Ito na yung last na ikutan? Okay. Yan. Ito na pala yung last na ano namin.
Ilang hours na kaya yan?
More than ano, 6 hours daw.
Para kasi ang hirap na mga ano yung mga ano.
Hindi ko na kinakat.
Okay, uwian na guys. Yung cellphone ko na ano na.
Memory full na. Suko na yung mga telepono nyo. Hindi pa rin naglalangoy yung mga ano to, Southern
Parang mga uwak na
Kasuwari.
tayo.
Ang Kasuwari.
Ang lamig talaga.
Yung gibo na yun oh. Ay, hindi mo pa inano yung ano, akin wala na yung lagkit. Water na siya. Ano yan? Ay, nasaan na yun? Ah, dito siya nakapost. Ras! Ay, Hazel. Nakapost siya oh. Ano yung kamay niya yung paa niya yun? Nakapost. Hindi ko nang pa-side dapat.
Ayan na.
Ay, kala ko ba nag-exhibition pa siya. Nag-exhibition pa siya. Oh, ha? Nakapost siya oh. Yung black dun busy sa ano eh. Nagpo-post pa siya oh. Tinitwist niya yung paa niya, pati kamay niya. Steady lang siya. Yung itim kasi ayaw mag ano eh. Ando din yung itim sa may mga ano, tanim. Nakunan mo? Tara na.
Makitang gilas pa eh.
Nagtutwist na siya. Eh, sabi naman ni Kabay, naglalaro yan minsan eh. Sila Sam nauna na.
May paano siya? Palas.
Lock. Ganda nung pang ayun, sasakyan. yung dalawa? Wala na. Dalawa na lang. Ay, dito kami. Tatlo kayo dyan, oh. Wala na din. Wala na. Sige, next na lang. Next na lang kami. Next. Wala na. Ayun, oh. Next. Bye-bye. I-clear niya muna. Masyadong may kaharap ka pa. Ba't nakatalikod ka, nakakahilo? Dito ka na, oh. Para walang harap. Aming journey dito sa Dubai Safari Park. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Fabulous Buddy. Thank you guys.
To the exit station. For those who have not visited the Kids Park, it's your perfect time to see our friendly and domesticated animal collections. Explore the wadi, take a look on its beautiful landscape, and watch out on events and activities happening in the area. Don't miss to drop by Soko, our souvenir shop. We have a variety of toy collections and customized items that you can only find here in Dubai Safari Park. Share your amazing experiences in our social media accounts. Hashtag Dubai Safari Park. As you disembark from this plane, make sure all your belongings are with you and watch your steps. For those who might want to check African and other villages, you can stay seated and check out the next station. Thank you so much for visiting us and hope to see you once again.
So yan, tapos na ang aming Dubai Safari Park adventure. Ayun sila nasa labas, sila Rusty D, si Jason. Ha?
Gusto nyo mag-zipline?
Saan yan?
Hindi ko alam sir. Pero meron doon.
Tignan nga natin. Tsaka na. At sa labas na yun eh.
Sa labas nga yan eh.
Tignan natin.
Si Jason kung mag-zipline tsaka si Sam kahapon, bibitay na. Mag-zipline ka ba ate?
Wala na, lobat na itong ano ko.
Mag-zipline ka?
Ayun o, di ba?
Saan tatawid yan? Kabilang ibayo ba? Hindi. Wala naman. Walang view eh. Tinapong ka na yung phone.
Bibidyo na ako, saka kakakamusta.
Sige, sabi ko lang. Okay. Yan na lang. Baka tumapon na.
Hindi, andito. Nasa akin.
Exit na. Ayan Ayan, tulak na.
Check.
Pwede naman tayo kumain.
Hindi, kaya scan pa yun eh. Gusto na malaman kung ano.
Sige.
Tatlo yan. Apat.
Just, okay, you can. Just scan all of them.
Sige na, okay na yan.
Thank you.
Ayan oh. Ito oh. Dito kami sa souvenir shop. 44 AD. Mga toys nila. Gusto mo mag-souvenir? Ahas. May mga mag oh. 44 yung ano, mga laruan. Ito backpack to. Ah, hindi.
Dami-dami sa bag nila din.
Okay. Kano itong ganito? 9 dirhams. Wala lang. Yun lang. And a lot of souvenirs. Okay, yan. Tapos na ang aming adventure dito sa Paris. Tara. Let's go. Iba yata entrance na, no? Yung sa zipline.
Meron din pala malaking taxi. No?
Kaya nga.
Ayun, dami palang taxi dito eh.
Magkano yung binayaran niyo kanina sa taxi?
Magkano?
Click the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you're updated to our videos.